Hello, let us solve for A and B. Given A plus B is equal to 24. AB is equal to 100. Solution. A plus B is equal to 24. Let us call this equation 1. AB is equal to 100. Let us call this equation 2. From equation 1, A plus B is equal to 24. Let us make B the subject. B is equal to 24 minus A. Let us call this equation 3. From equation 2, AB is equal to 100. Let us substitute for B, which is 24 minus A. A bracket 24 minus A is equal to 100. Let us open the bracket. A multiplied by 24, that is 24A. A multiplied by minus A, that is minus A square, is equal to 100. This can be written as 24A minus A square minus 100 is equal to 0. Let us put this in standard form. Minus A square plus 24A minus 100 is equal to 0. Let us divide the whole of this equation by minus 1. Minus A square divided by minus 1, that is A square, plus 24A divided by minus 1, minus 24A, minus 100 divided by minus 1, plus 100 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Let us solve this using quadratic formula. A is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B square minus 4AC divided by 2A. Then from this equation, A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 24, then C is equal to 100. A is equal to minus bracket minus 24 plus or minus square root of minus 24 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 100 divided by 2 multiplied by 1. A is equal to minus times minus 24, that is plus 24 plus or minus square root of minus 24 square, that is 576, minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 100, 400 divided by 2 multiplied by 1, 2. A is equal to 24 plus or minus square root of 576 minus 400, that is 176 divided by 2. 176 is equal to 16 multiplied by 11. A is equal to 24 plus or minus square root of 16 multiplied by 11 divided by 2. This can be written as 24 plus or minus square root of 16, that is 4 root 11 divided by 2. A is equal to 24 divided by 2 plus or minus 4 root 11 divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 12, 2 here 1, 2 here 2. A is equal to 12 plus or minus 2 square root of 11. Therefore, A1 is equal to 12 plus 2 square root of 11, and A2 is equal to 12 minus 2 square root of 11. These are the values of A. We've gotten the values of A1 and A2. Let us solve for B1 and B2. To solve for B, from equation 3, B is equal to 24 minus A. B1 is equal to 24 minus A1 is 12 plus 2 square root of 11, and B2 is equal to 24 minus A2 is 12 minus 2 root 11. B1 is equal to 24. If you open the bracket with negative, we have minus 12 minus 2 root 11. B1 is equal to 24 minus 12. This is 12 minus 2 square root of 11. This is the value of B1. Also, B2 is equal to 24. If you open the bracket with this negative, we have minus 12 plus 2 square root of 11. B2 is equal to 24 minus 12. This is 12 plus 2 square root of 11. Here is the value of B2. Our final answer are A1, B1 is equal to 12 plus 2 root 11, 12 minus 2 root 11. Then A2, B2 is equal to 12 minus 2 root 11, 12 plus 2 root 11. These are the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. You can see that the value of A1 here is equal to the value of B2 here, and the value of B1 here is equal to the value of A2 here. Let us check. To check, we have the given equation. A plus B is equal to 24. AB is equal to 100. Let us consider this. A plus B, this can be written as 12 plus 2 root 11 plus 12 minus 2 root 11 must be equal to 24. This cancel this. 12 plus 12 must be equal to 24. And of course, 12 plus 12, this is 24, is equal to 24, which is true. Then AB, this is 12 plus 2 root 11 multiply by 12 minus 2 root 11 must be equal to 100. 12 times 12, that is 144. Then 12 multiplied by minus 2 root 11, that is minus 24 root 11. 2 root 11 multiplied by 12 plus 24 root 11. Then 2 root 11 multiplied by minus 2 root 11, that is minus 4 multiplied by square root of 11 square must be equal to 100. Here, these cancel this. We have 144 minus 4 multiplied by this cancel square root here. We have 11 must be equal to 100. Here, 144 minus 4 times 11, that is 44, must be equal to 100. 144 minus 44, this is 100, is equal to 100, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.